So the Jamaica followers have been more cold than hot in this year's CPL. Not the dead last yet, like last year, but still far from good enough. But my main disappointment is with fast bowler O'Shane Thomas. When he burst onto the scene a few years ago, it was so refreshing to see a young fast bowler running and Lego cricket ball and have batsmen a skip and a dance all over the place. It appeared then that the sky would have been the limit for O'Shane Thomas. But right now it don't look good. Instead of getting better, he seems to be getting worse. He was even in the bubble on the recent West Indies tour of England. The expectation was that after 2 full months of focus on cricket and some specialized coaching, O'Shane would be sharper and a little closer to fulfilling his potential. But after a few very ordinary games in the CPL, where he was spraying the ball all over the place, Thomas was so bad that he got dropped from the Talabas team. Yes. I don't know who to blame. But to whom me vex, me have to find somebody to blame. It's either the excessive coaching confused him, mash up his meds and shattered his confidence, or O'Shane himself is stubborn and not take no telling. Yes. I don't know. But ultimately, O'Shane Thomas must take his destiny into his own hands.